So how to use the Multicam logger script with Resolve and Premiere Pro. This is a bit different than Vegas Pro, as both programs handle multicam and nesting in a different way. Unfortunately, I haven't found a way to create real multicam tracks where you can switch the camera angle with just a keyboard stroke. It still works, but in both programs it's a bit clunky if you plan on doing lots of changes. Also, I basically have zero experience in Premiere and Resolve, so if you have easier methods, please comment below. First, make sure to have these placeholder files on your hard disk, otherwise this won't work. You find the link in the description. Let's start with Resolve. Create a project and set the FPS to 50. Don't worry, you can change it in the end. Switch to the Edit workspace and import all the placeholder clips in your master bin. Import timeline and choose the newest XML in the script folder. Since there is no way to create a real multicam track anyway, you can delete all tracks above the first video track. At the moment, there's also a bug where the script generates all cuts twice. I hope to have this fixed when this video is public. If not, just delete the first or the second half of the timeline. Now, import all your local recordings and sync them with the generated timeline. For each track with your imported recordings, create a compound clip with a solid color clip starting at the beginning of a timeline. Move every compound clip to an extra bin and delete the extra tracks in your main timeline. Now, for each camera angle, do the following. Assign a flag or clip color to the placeholder clip you want to replace. Go to timeline and choose select clips with flag color. Right click all the selected clips and uncheck Conform Lock Enabled. With all the clips still selected, go to File, Reconform from bins and make sure to reconform only the selected clips. Choose the according bin and activate an empty real name conform option. You're done. Now for Premiere. Start with a new Resolve project and set your FPS to 50. Import the placeholder clips and the XML file. Delete all unnecessary tracks and clips. Re-export the XML and make sure to use FCP7 XML v5 files. In Premiere, import the just created XML. The placeholder clips should already be imported. Sync all your camera angles with the generated timeline. Do the following for each camera angle. Create a nested sequence alongside the solid color item starting at the beginning of a timeline. Remove the nested sequences from your main timeline. Press Ctrl F and find all clips matching the name cam1.mp4. You will be sent to the first appearance in the timeline of that clip. Open the according nested sequence in the source monitor and make sure that the time codes are matching. Now, right-click the selected clips in the timeline and choose Replace with Clip from source monitor, match frame, you're done. Let me know if you have any more questions. Subscribe.